Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to off live location in WhatsApp. Okay, so let's get started. And then first of all, click on WhatsApp app and choose on someone. Tap on plus icon, click on location, tap on share live location and on hour. Okay, then you share your live location this person, and to off live location just select someone and just tap on stop sharing. Just click stop sharing live location with you. Okay, just tap share and stop to off live location in WhatsApp. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.